Welcome to my channel. I'm a bit of a jack of all trades, and today I'm going to show you how I store my bike up in the rafters of this garage, and I hope it will help you figure out how to do the same for your bike. I have to take the system down today because I'm about to board this ceiling, and therefore the bike system has to come down. So as you can see, a bit of string starts there, it comes down here through this pulley, back up through another pulley, back down, and then comes out here to another pulley. This one's not necessary if you don't need it, and then down, and then it's just a long piece of rope. So from that way it comes up through this pulley, along here, it goes through here and up, through this one and down, through this one, and then it's fixed there, and that's it. It's really easy. So I'll put something on the screen now to show you in an illustrated format how it's done. All you need is a long piece of rope. I got the piece of rope from Lidl. It was really cheap. I used some old pulley wheels to make my pulleys. Sorry, they're not pulley wheels. They're old trolley wheels. So this is an old trolley wheel, and so is this, and so is this, and they had a rubber thread in them. I took the thread out and they were the perfect pulleys. But I'll include some links in the description to something you can get from Amazon for really cheap to make the same system. And all you need to do is make sure you can fix into something solid in your roof, which will hold the pulley system. Now, bikes nowadays, they don't weigh a lot. My bike weighs, I don't know, 12 or 13 kilos. So you're not holding a lot of weight. If you've got an electric bike, you might be looking at 25 kilos. You might want to make sure it's very strong. But all I've used, a bit of 18mm ply there, bit of 18mm ply there, and that's been strong enough. So I will release the bike down now and show you guys the pulley system in action. I've also just put, I'll just take this off. I've got this just to hold my back wheel in place, because as you can see it hangs quite low. And that's it, locked in. So now you can see the pulley down at ground level, and you've got the two up there. I'll explain it again, and hopefully it makes sense. So this is the starting point. This is the starting point. Up there, through that pulley, down, through here, and it goes out the other side, and it goes this one, out the other side, all the way up into that pulley, and back down, through here, and then fixed onto the point up there where the screw is. So here it is on the floor. That was the fixed point. Goes through here, up here to this pulley, down through this pulley again, and out, and I just had that pulley on the ceiling to help guide the rope, and then that's the rope that I was pulling. So it really is simple, it doesn't need to be complicated. I hope the illustration helps, and I hope this video helped you do a DIY bike storage for yourself. See you on the next one.